Hello children, today we will do practice set 2.3 construction of parallel lines. Now for construction of parallel lines, here in the textbook they have given us two methods. First method is the set square method, that is using the set square. So this is a set square. Okay, so first we will use this method, set square. The second method is we will be using protector and rounder. Okay, so let's start. Practice set 2.3. Draw a line L. Take a point A outside the line. Through the point A, draw a line parallel to line L. Now, here I have written in my book. Okay, now you have to take a line like this. You have to draw a line like this. Any measure you can take, and you have to write L. Okay, you have to write as L. This line is L. Now you have to take a point A outside the line. So outside this line you have to take a point A. So outside this line anywhere you can take point A. So here I have taken point A. Now with the help of the set square, I have to draw one parallel line. So I am going to keep this like this here on this point, and this like this. Okay, exactly on the point you have to take, exactly on the point, and you have to push it like this, little like this. Okay, catching like this. It should go exactly like this. Now you can remove this, and this has to be proper. Okay, and you have to draw one parallel line. You can extend this parallel line over here. Okay, so and we have to name this. You can name anything. You can name it as M. So line M is parallel to line L, and this at the point of, this is the line passing through point A. Line M is passing through point A, and this line M is parallel to line L. Now the second one is the same one. The second one is also the same thing. Okay, only instead of A they have taken as T. So you have to take point T, and you have to draw two parallel lines in the same method using the set square. The third one is draw a line M, draw a line N which is parallel to line M at a distance of 4 centimeters from it. Now what you have to take? You have to take your scale and you have to draw one line. Like this, you have to draw one line. Okay, and you have to name this line as M. Now we will take 2 points on this line. One point over here and one point over here. This point we will name it as A, and this point we will name as B. Now with the help of your protractor, you will keep your protractor over here on this point, exactly on this point, on point A, and you will, on this 90 degrees, you will draw a, you will take the measure 90 degrees. Okay, and you will draw one straight line from this point to this point. And again you will keep here on this point and take 90 degrees here, and you will draw one line. Okay, now you will take what they told us. which is parallel to line M at a distance of 4 centimeters from it. So you have to take your rounder and your scale, and you have to take measure of 4 centimeters from here to here. So this is exact 4 centimeters. Now this rounder, you will keep it on this A point and you will draw one arc. You will keep on B point and draw one arc. Okay, and then you will draw one line from this point. From these two arcs you will draw one line. Okay, and we will name it as, this is AB, so we will name it as C and D. Okay, and this is line N. Now line M is parallel to line N, and this is 90 degrees. This is perpendicular lines. Okay, so our construction is ready. We took the measure of 4 centimeters over here. How much centimeters measure we took? We took measure of 4 centimeters. So this is 4 centimeters. So you can write over here 4 centimeters. Okay, so our construction is ready of parallel lines. Children, you need to practice this nicely. Then only you will be able to do this.